Raven ground, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor in the southern run-up bay with whiskey for runway 17 left for circuits, request taxi clearance.
Station for circuits, you can taxi on point Golf 17 left and Zulu is about to become current CTAC procedures on 1181.
Holding point Golf 17 left, Bravo Sierra Victor. Raven traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor entering and rolling. Runway 17 left for circuits. Raven. Time is 2 minutes past 9. Are up on the arrows. The brakes full power. Speed's live. All temperatures and pressures are in the green. 50 knots. And up we go. Okay, 100% on instruments. Degrees nose up. And a heading of 170.
Copy traffic, Oscar X-ray Papa, terminal in southern runway bay, taxi to holding point up to runway 7 left, traffic rapid.
500, come round. Degree turn. Okay, that's 90 degrees to the runway. 1,000 feet. By the nose. Power it back.
Raven traffic, Brisbane Yankee Victor X-ray is entering and lining up runway 17 left for a departure overhead for Latrobe Valley. Raven traffic.
Raven traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor turning downwind, touch and go. Okay, there's my runway.
Raven traffic, Yankee Victor X-ray is rolling runway 17 left. Raven traffic.
Okay, brakes, undercarriage, mixture, master mags, landing lights on. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. Switches and harnesses secure. Runway. Blown in from the right hand side here. Back. One stage. Stages and turn. Raven traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, turning base, runway 17 left for a touch and go. Raven. Okay, that's 800 feet, it's a fair way out. 26 knots I've got up here.
Raven traffic, Cessna Echo Sierra Alpha is northern run-up bay, taxis for runway 17 left for overhead departure to Point Cook. Raven traffic.
Feet, 6 knots from the left, 23 knots on the nose, 20 knots through the air, final stage, 200 feet. 4 knots across. 20 knots.
Marvin traffic, Oscar X3, Mike Seminole in Southern Runway Bay, taxiing for runway 17 left for Wonderful.
Power off. Ups up, full power. Two knots. 100% on instruments. 70, 10 degrees, nose up. Moorabbin traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor turning final, runway 17 left, Moorabbin. For a touch and go. I've only got 5 knots across me. 20 knots on the nose. 400 feet. Aircraft at the holding point. Couple of aircraft around me. 300 feet, 75 knots. Seventeen knots on the nose, 4 knots across. Knots. 15 knots on the nose, 3 knots across.
Moorabbin traffic, Cessna Echo Sierra Alpha is departing overhead 1,600 on climb 2,500 for Point Cook. Moorabbin traffic.
Eight flaps up. Power. 60 knots up we go. On instruments. Moorabbin traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor turning final, runway 17 left for a touch and go, Moorabbin.
Moorabbin traffic, Oscar X3, Mike O head station, 2,000 feet on climb to 2,500 feet. We're all head departure for Wonderful. Moorabbin.
Okay, 20 knots on the nose, 4 knots across.
Traffic Moorabbin, Foxtrot Sierra Foxtrot joining downwind runway 17, Moorabbin.
25 knots. 65 knots. Off. Up. Power up. Knots. On instruments. traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor turning final, runway 17 left for a full stop, Raven. Liner up. Knots. 25 knots. 300 feet. Knots across, 18 knots on the nose. Knots. Vinny. They're off. Okay, way down. And this is Bravo.